Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make medium content books for KDP. First, let's define what these books are and explore their market potential. It's crucial to identify a profitable niche, like journals or planners, that has consistent buyer demand. Spend time researching relevant keywords and categories on Amazon to ensure your book gets noticed by the right audience. This foundational step is key to your success, setting the stage for a well-received product. Once your niche is set, focus on creating the actual book. Design engaging interior pages that are both functional and appealing for your target audience. Whether it's a logbook or a puzzle book, the content must provide clear value. Don't forget the cover. It's your book's first impression. A professionally designed, eye-catching cover is essential to stand out in a crowded marketplace and entice potential buyers to click. Now it's time to publish on Amazon KDP. Begin by setting up your KDP account and accurately entering all book details, including title, author, and description. Carefully upload your interior and cover files, ensuring they meet KDP's specifications to avoid any issues. Finally, select your pricing strategy and royalty options. Consider offering a competitive price, perhaps around $7 to $10, to attract initial sales and reviews. Publishing is just the beginning. Effective marketing is vital for success. Utilize KDP's promotional tools, such as free book promotions or Kindle countdown deals, to boost visibility. Continuously optimize your book's listing with strong keywords and a compelling description to improve its search ranking. Also, explore external marketing strategies, like social media promotion or building an author website, to reach a broader audience beyond Amazon. Consistent effort here yields significant returns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.